I've got some fun little teacher tools for you in my bag of happies today. And I think sometimes we do things for ourselves as much for the children, but I certainly enjoy making these things and using them with the children. You knock my socks off. You get a stick, a string, and a pair of socks. You keep this on a high shelf, and when the children do something exceptional, you can get the stick out and say, "You knock my socks off." This would also be a good tool to give to your principal. Wouldn't it be fun for the children if the principal walked in all the classrooms and said, "You knocked my socks off"? Another tool is Mr. Good for You, and this is just a garden glove. Stuffed it with fiberfill, and I used a pipe cleaner to knot it at the bottom. And you explain to the children, "I don't always have time to pat you on the back and say good for you, but I have a little friend who's going to help me." And you put him on a shelf or on your desk, and you say, when you do something that you're real proud of, you get Mr. Good for You and pat yourself on the back and say, "Good for you, good for you." You could also use this at the end of the day. You could pass this around and the children could pat themselves on the back and say something that they did that made them feel proud or something they learned that day. And then one other little tool that is a lot of fun. This is the magic lotion. So it's just an empty pump dispenser. Take the label off and write it with your name and Mrs. Feldman's magic lotion, or you could call it your special lotion. And if a child comes to you and says, "I have a little boo-boo," you can say, "Well, here's a little magic lotion. Put it on your boo-boo. It'll make you feel better." Or, "She said I can't come to her birthday party." "Well, here, have a little magic lotion. Rub it in. It'll make you feel better." So I hope you have fun with these tools. Enjoy your day.